Hello and welcome to Sam Good Design. Today we show you backyard Oasis, small and beautiful patio on a budget. Bon appetit everyone and enjoy watching. Benefits of creating a budget patio. Not only does designing a budget patio save you money, but it also allows you to get creative and think outside the box. By utilizing affordable materials and DIY projects, you can customize your patio to reflect your personal style and preferences. Additionally, working within a budget forces you to prioritize and make intentional choices, resulting in a space that is both functional and visually appealing. Creative and affordable patio flooring options. Introduction to cost-effective patio flooring materials. When it comes to patio flooring, there are plenty of cost-effective options that can give your outdoor space a fantastic look without breaking the bank. From budget-friendly pavers to gravel and mulch, you have a variety of materials to choose from. DIY patio flooring options. If you're feeling handy, consider DIY patio flooring options such as creating a mosaic tile pattern using broken tiles or repurposing old pallets for a rustic look. These DIY projects not only save you money, but also add a personal touch to your patio. DIY patio furniture on a budget. Introduction to DIY patio furniture projects. Why spend a fortune on patio furniture when you can create your own on a budget? DIY patio furniture projects are not only affordable but also allow you to unleash your creativity and make furniture tailored to your needs. Repurposing and upcycling old furniture for the patio. Before tossing out that worn-out chair or table, think about how it could be repurposed for your patio. With a fresh coat of paint and a few tweaks, you can transform old furniture into stylish and functional pieces for your outdoor space. Budget-friendly landscaping and decor for patios. Introduction to budget-friendly landscaping ideas. Enhancing your patio doesn't stop at flooring and furniture. Budget-friendly landscaping ideas can work wonders in transforming your outdoor space. From strategic plant placement to adding decorative elements, there are plenty of affordable ways to take your patio to the next level. Incorporating low-cost plants and greenery. Explore low-cost plant options such as perennials and native plants that require minimal maintenance and can thrive in your climate. By incorporating greenery strategically, you can create a lush and inviting atmosphere without exceeding your budget. Friends, thank you for your support and likes. I will be glad to see any of your comments. Let me know what new ideas for your backyard and patio you want to see on his channel. Have a nice day everyone and see you soon. You watched the video on my channel about garden and backyard design, Sam Good Design.